brought together the world's most brilliant engineers and given them access to cutting-edge resources so that they can create tech that will empower everyday people like you. Tech like me, for example. I'm Sharon, the artificial intelligence that keeps this place organized and running smoothly. Yes, Web has some of the brightest minds in the world, but I keep things around here pretty chill so the kids can create the next big idea that will give you the tools to become the next generation of heroes. Come on in while we prep for your test drive on the Slinger. We'll be starting in just a few moments. We hope you have a great time on your visit to the Worldwide Engineering Brigade Open House. And now, our project lead, the brilliant... Peter Parker!
Hey, what's up? I'm Peter Parker, and here at Web we got access to some pretty awesome tech, like vibranium from Wakanda, or this crazy alien juice stuff. We have pin particles and star tech. It all helps us develop really cool stuff, like these spiderbots, for example. Check it out. They have this really cool self-replicating feature.
Because...
This is awesome. Buddy, you could stop doing that now. But anyway, you guys are here today to help us test the Web Slinger vehicle. Using onboard tech, you will be able to sling webs just like my buddy Spider-Man.
Peter, your presentation is getting away from you.
Yeah, I'm aware of that, Sharon. If you could just initiate the safety protocols, that'd be really great.
Problem with that,
So
Peter?
anyway, if you want to sling a web, all you gotta do is sling your arm in the direction you want to shoot the web, and that's it. It's awesome.
Peter, your spiderbots are continuing to replicate and are consuming everything in their path.
They seem to be stuck in self-replication mode. If you could just handle that for me, please.
On it. Contacting Mr. Stark.
Don't call Mr. Stark! Don't call Mr. Stark. Sorry, Shall. Could you just call someone else and ask them to do it?
Okay. Contacting Spider-Man.
Here. I'm gonna go find Spider-Man for us all, because he's around here somewhere. Okay, goodbye. Spider-Man!
As you may have noticed, the spiderbots are locked in that awesome self-replication mode. In spite of what you see, they were created to be robotic helpers that can break down raw material and create all kinds of useful tech. But because they are stuck in self-replication mode, the spiderbots are currently consuming everything in sight and multiplying at an alarming rate. If left unchecked, my calculations predict this will lead to the devastation of the entire Avenger campus. I should be safe until Spider-Man gets here, as long as they don't get into the alien fluid. This is now a bigger problem. Activating threat level protocols.
Hey guys, what's up? I hear you have a bug problem. I'm here to help.
You may get afraid. Threat level is at exponential danger. You might need some help. Perhaps I'll call the Avengers?
Don't worry, everyone. I got this. Okay, everybody. Open house is canceled.
Wise idea.
And I could use some help.
Yes, you could.
Sharon, run the Slinger vehicle.
Already on it.
Everyone head to the Slingers and we'll team up to stop the spiderbots before they destroy the campus. It's easy.
Okay, we have a plan. Please move quickly through the doors and down the hall to the Slinger vehicle. Okay. The open house demo has been upgraded. En todo momento. Por favor, supervise a sus hijos.
Am I glad to see you guys?
the giant boss survived. But those chain reactions did work.
Wait, the green bots explode. If we intentionally hit those green bots, maybe we'll trigger a chain reaction.
I think you're right. That should stop them.
The chain reaction thing worked! You guys were amazing!
I'm very impressed, Spider-Man. You really solved the problem.
Well, it's because without them,